Hey everybody, I'm here with Lavana with Dryer Vent Wizard. Thank you so much for being here today,
Thank
Lavana.
you for having me, CeCe. I appreciate it.
So we're going to talk about Dryer Vent Wizard today in a segment we call Franchise Speed Dating, where I ask her a few questions about the brand in about 5 minutes time. So just to start us off, what is Dryer Vent Wizard?
So, Dryer Vent Wizard is the number one dryer vent cleaning and service franchise. We've been in business for over 20 years. We have over 165 franchise locations, and our primary focus is cleaning, repairing, installing the dryer venting system. Our primary mission is making sure that the home is safe and also businesses and commercial is safe as well. So that's our primary focus is for Dryer Vent Wizard. Is saving lives one dryer at a time, CeCe.
I love it. And who are the primary customers of Dryer Vent Wizard, and how do you help a franchisee acquire them?
Our primary customer base is we start with residential. So those are residential homeowners that anyone who has a dryer, pretty much that's it. Our target market is actually anyone who wears clothes. Because if you think about it, 80% of the homes out there in North America have dryers and 100% of them produce lint. So that's really our target market. But we start with residential. The second line of customer base is multi-unit housing. So condo associations, apartment complexes, university housing. And then that third line of customer base is commercial, like commercial clients. And those are businesses that frequently use dryers. And that'll help you think about hair care, daycare, salons, gyms, fitness facilities, recreational centers, any type of business that frequently use dryers, hotels, laundromats. Those are our three, and all three are recurring revenue where we're focusing on all of them consistently.
Love that. What are you looking for primarily in a franchise candidate? What makes a good owner?
So as I think I mentioned to you that I've been with this franchise for 13 years and I fell in love with our owners, who we are and what we do. First thing we look for in our owners are people that are passionate about helping people, fixing problems. That is our key because a lot of homeowners are unaware that this is a needed service, that you should have your dryer vents serviced on a regular basis, just like you change your oil on your car. So that's we look for those franchise owners that are relationship builders, people that are focusing on educating people and comfortable with that. It's not necessarily a sales approach, but that's typically the background. I'll tell you this, we are looking for owners that have zero dryer vent cleaning experience. So that opens it up for anyone else that wants to build a team. And that's our focus is an executive ownership of someone that wants to lead a team, hire a team, and scale the business by adding vans.
What does a day in the life of a franchisee typically look like? What do they do every day?
A big part of what we do is educating people, creating that awareness and helping them understand that you should have your events serviced on a regular basis. Most of the owners are building relationships in the community with the fire department, educating. So the day in the life is really truly hiring and investing in your team. You need one technician per van as you scale the business. Our top sales owner, he has over 9 vans that he's running and operating. And so managing that team is key, communicating with our call center. So we have very hands-on support where our call center takes care of all of the calls with the new customers and the future customers when it's time to have their vent service again. And working on marketing, building those relationships in the community and educating people, creating that awareness. We even build relationships with our competitors. A lot of our competitors are companies like repair centers, and they may service dryer vents on the side. And so our franchise owners and who we're looking for are folks that are going to feel comfortable doing that and educating those as well and building those relationships. Relationship builder is the key.
Very good. What does the item 7 look like generally for Dryer Vent Wizard? How much does it cost to get into the business? Where does the bulk of that investment go?
So the investment, it's an estimated initial investment range. It's between 82,900 to 159,400. Kind of where you fall in that range is depending on how fast you want to ramp up as you ramp up your business. That range also includes the franchise fee. So 49,900 would go into that franchise fee, but the rest would be focusing on the revenue that you need or what you need for your van. So a couple payments for your van, for your tools, your marketing. That's going to be key, right? To create that awareness and educating people there. So bulk of that it's going to go there. And then you also have additional capital for you to invest in labor costs if you start with a technician.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time, Lavana. I love Dryer Vent Wizard. I know personally, my husband and I just got our house and we need to call the one in our local market. They're on my radar because that's something we need to get done. So Really appreciate you being here and helping us learn more about the brand. And we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take the next step, Integrity Franchise Group is here to help. Click the link below or reach out to us today to schedule an appointment. Let's work together to solve that franchise puzzle and turn your business dreams into reality. We cannot wait to connect with you.